Reward points are a form of earned digital currency your associates can use to purchase products. Setting up reward points requires you to complete a short list of simple steps. It's important to note that this video details how the default reward points work in the platform. Any additional features or logic on how associates can earn points will have to be custom developed. However, you can manually add points to an associate's account, as shown in the video linked in the description. With that in mind, let's get started by logging in to WebOffice Admin. After logging in, navigate to Advanced Settings. Expand the Shopping section and turn on the Use Reward Points toggle. Next, in the Max Points Per Order field, set a maximum limit to the number of reward points an associate can redeem for an order. The actual number is up to you. However, if the field is left blank, the system treats it as a 0, and points won't be redeemable. Finally, let's save the changes. The next bit of enablement settings we'll need to do is in the shopping cart setup. Navigate to Advanced Settings, Carts. You can either add a new cart or edit an existing one. For more information on carts, see the video linked in the description. In the cart configuration, turn on the Allow Reward Points toggle, then click Update. Now, let's move on to the next step in Corporate Admin. Navigate to Administration Advanced Settings UI. For this step, we'll enable the Reward Points component, activating the functionality for Corporate Admin. Just select the checkbox next to Reward Points and click Save Changes. Finally, you'll want to add additional Reward Points currency amounts to any necessary inventory items. For that, navigate to Inventory Items. For each item, click the product name link to edit the configuration. Next, click the Price and Discounts tab. Now, add a new price adjustment. Enter the price and select reward points from the currency dropdown. For stores, choose corporate and wholesale. Lastly, select any necessary price groups, regions, or order types. Each must correspond with the data selected in the shopping cart's configuration in WebOffice Admin. When finished, click Save. And those are the steps you need to set up reward points. For more articles and videos, visit the Help Center at help.directscale.com. And thanks for watching.